This is the neighborhood. This is the home. I'll walk around the exterior first. This is your backyard, neighbors. Keyless entry. Looks like they're getting ready to move out. That's a water softener hookup. You walk in, you have your laundry to the right. You have your mechanicals to the left. You have a luxury vinyl plank floor. Laminate countertops. Stainless steel appliances. A little nook there for like a baker's rack. And then space that's a large table. Sliding glass doors to get you outside. Fireplace. And then you have a half bath. This is your entryway over here. So we'll come and this would be the entryway. So you come in and you have a half bath to the right. You have, that's a good sized closet. And you have your office. And this was what used to be the dining room, so this makes sense. They put French doors on here. Oops. Not sure about that. They have that, I guess, I'm not sure why. So this is your office. That was weird. Okay. I'm not sure why they have those on the bottom, but upstairs you've got a window to let light in. The carpets are in good shape, they just need cleaned. And then you have, this is a nice size bedroom. And a nice sized walk-in closet. Window with a blind. Linen closet. You have I think this is your master actually. The people at my dad's rental, they were there for 5 years. That's the one that just came on the market. So if you can get a renter who stays 5 years, you're doing really good. So this is a basic vinyl floor and walk-in shower, but a nice big closet. And that's a linen closet, and then this is a huge closet, actually. And that's gray, so with a newer house, obviously it's just going to be just newer mechanicals and that type of thing. So that's a great gray laminate on top of the brown wood cabinets. These are all, you know, pretty spacious. The chimes that you heard, I think for the mosque that's nearby, but I'm not positive. These are really big rooms. I mean, for a rental, this has a lot to offer. And then you have this gathering space. So I bet you they would come in and clean up the paint a little bit. There's a few little nicks like that probably have to be addressed, but overall in, you know, good condition. So I'll go back out, and there's a Myers just down the road. So I'll stop this and then I'll kind of take a picture of heading out of the neighborhood too, so you can see it. Oops, I need to find my shoes. I think they have a few kids, which may be maybe they were just here temporarily looking for their next home. All right, so coming back out. So you do have a nice private yard there, actually.